Hey Royals, it's your girl Event Queen, coming back at you with another video. Designing a Mickey Mouse arch back. To design this look, I'm going to be using a 6x6 metal frame. I'm going to be using fish wire, some rubber bands, 360 balloon, and your Qualtex balloons, which is 12-inch. So I'm just going to give you guys a demonstration on how I make my quads. Now I have a balloon blower here, and I got this off Amazon. And you make sure that when you blow it up, you squeeze some of the air out. Push it again so that they're round. Then you tie it together, and then you make your quads. Okay, and then with your quads, you're gonna add it on your backdrop like this. Okay. I just showed you guys how I did my quads. So now I'm attaching it to my backdrop, a round backdrop. So I'm putting it in the cluster 4 and just sticking it on my backdrop like this. Okay, and I'm just pushing it close together so you don't have too much space. Now a lot of people, they wrap it around, but I just open it up like this, and I just stick it on like it's actually sitting on the actual pole. Nice to pre-do your quads so that it's a lot faster. It makes assembling the balloons a lot faster, your pole. And especially if you're doing it at a venue off-site, you can always put your balloon, pre-blow your balloon and bring them in a carry bag, and then assemble it when you get to the venue, wherever you're hosting the party. So now we're going to start around this side, so we have an even finish. So we're going to do the top half all black, and then when we reach halfway here, I would say, where we connect, we will start the red. So remember, when you're putting it on, make sure that you open up one side and then you stick it on your pole. So, and you push it close together. Again, open it up. Try to make all your balloons the same size. If you're not comfortable with gauging the balloon size, they have stuff that you can use to actually measure your balloon. So they have a balloon sizer that you can purchase on Amazon, or you can make it yourself. So comment down below and I can make a tutorial for you guys on how you can make your balloon sizer. Okay, so again, you open your balloon, and you just stick it on the pole just like this. Now a lot of people, they put it on this way and then they tie the knot at the back and they push it. That's another way you can do it. Get this lighter out the way. Whenever you need a lighter after to put the ears on. Now with the red. Guys, let's speed up the process. Voila, we completed our red. So now we're gonna start with the legs. We're gonna add legs onto it. So I just put 2 sets of quads. I stacked it. And now we're just gonna attach it to one of the balloons. Tie it. Tie. Tie again. And then use 360. To attach. Attach it, 360, you're gonna turn, run it around the red ones, the bottom. Voila, you got legs. So now we completed the legs. So now we're going to start with the ears. We're just going to attach the balloon to fish wire. So it's kind of like we're making a garland. We're just going to wrap the fish wire around times. Don't pull too hard because you don't want the fish wire to rip the balloon. So we're just doing this like a garland, attaching them like we're attaching a balloon garland. You can also use a 360 to attach it if you don't feel comfortable with the fish wire, because the fish wire will cut the balloon. Just gotta take your time. You can also use a 360 to achieve this look also. Okay? Then we just start to fold the balloon like that to create the look of the ears. Play around the balloon until it forms a nice circle, and then I attach my 360 onto just one of the balloons. And just secure it in, like so. And then, as you can see here, to help form the circle, I added the elastic band. So I can close it in, and then I added 360 at the bottom. So the elastic band I added, the rubber band, and then I add the 360 balloon so I can attach it. So we're just going to wrap the 360 balloon onto the existing balloon. Time with it until you get the shape that you're looking for. And then you can just use your elastic or rubber band to connect to hold your balloon more secure. And if a balloon pops, don't worry. Just take it down and just add it on. Okay, you can use a glue dot or a low temperature glue gun and just place the balloon back in place. So now we're going to start with the other side. I'll be right back. Voila! We completed both of our ears on our Mickey Mouse. So now we're going to add the 2 white buttons that's on his pants. So I'm not going to make it too big. I cut a 360 balloon in half. So you can use it for both sides. Okay, so now we're going to attach it. Wrap it around the balloon. So we're gonna do a 360. And here. We're gonna wrap it around again. Okay. So there you have it. So here you have it, Royals. Now I'm going to show you how I'm going to design this look. Done. And here is our finished product, guys. Letter and our customized treats by Customized Treats Toronto. Follow her on Instagram, she's phenomenal. And here is the finished product of our Mickey Mouse. So this setup is for my client. His name is Kyrie, his first birthday. Unfortunately, his mom had to postpone it because of the pandemic that's happening right now. So I decided to still go ahead with the setup, and I'm going to actually take a picture and send it to his mom. Happy birthday, Kyrie. We love you. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. Please make sure you like and subscribe and follow all our social media links down below. Thank you and have a blessed day.